scratch like that. Just pass this over, just like that. There you are. Nice little touch up. Very simple. The marker. This is a marker. So let me show you what I could do with the pen. Match exactly for the color. All you have to do is just grab it, touch it up like that. Same thing here. Let's see this right here. See that? And sometimes there's imperfections within the wood. So you get the same marker. And you go ahead and touch up as much as you can. There you go. And if you want to buy this marker and the fill stick that comes with it, feel free to go to Amazon. Follow the description below, and it's going to take you straight to this specific color. Thank you.